Today I'm going to talk about the PC that I have built for my personal use. This is fairly a simple setup, there is nothing fancy in it. So basically I want to build a workhorse that can take care of my research needs as well as some kind of YouTube video editing. So first let's start with the power supply. So this is a Silverstone 500 watt SFX-L power supply that can fit directly into this case. So I will come back to this case later. So I have two 8 GB DDR4 2133 MHz RAM inside. This is Silverstone AR06 heatsink. I have the MSI H150i Pro AC motherboard. This motherboard is very unique in terms of it has an inbuilt Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support, and it supports M.2 PCIe slot. It's not SATA, it's a PCIe slot, and it has a Kingston 240 GB SSD I have built in. There is no graphics card put in as of now, and there is no space for cable management whatsoever. I have a couple of problems with this Silverstone case. One is this USB cables are very thick, so it's very difficult to do a cable management, and these flat modular cables are very bad, or it's very difficult to have them in the case and bent across because they don't bend actually, so it's a tough work for you. And nothing much in this setup. It costed me around $860, roughly around 4,300 RMB in China. So that's all I have for this. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like, put subscribe, and if you dislike, you know what to do, and please let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you very much.